Hello everyone, and welcome to another video related to the 010 editor, and we'll continue parsing our PE file using the 010 editor. Now, one mistake I think I made in the previous video was when we locate the first function. What I said, I think I said that I didn't double check because I don't have time to check for, but I want to do this correction here before we move on and provide another example. The mistake that happened is what I said is we find the name of the DLL is found here, and then we have this relative address, and if we use this relative address to get the file, the address to this is an offset, a relative virtual address also, but to the import lookup table. So if we take this now, so this address is an offset to the, let me just go there. Okay, so now we come to this lookup table, by the way. And again, I think I remember I mentioned this, that each entry, since this is a 64-bit executable, then each entry will be 8 bytes or 64 bits, okay? Because there are some masking going on in here. And then each one of these, by the way, is the address to where the function is located. The system will continue parsing until it reaches a null byte, and then that's when it will know it reached the end of the table. Okay, so if we take the first one, for example, if we take the first one, which is 03, 06, and then 8C, okay, and convert that, we get this address. Now, if I go to this address, okay, if I go to this address, let's go to it. We get the address of what? The first function we get, if you remember last time, the get proc address. So these 2 bytes, we said these are the ordinals, and then we have from here all the way to here with the padding. These are the function and the padding to make sure they are all aligned. If we go back, by the way, if I go back to, let's just take this again, just so I can go back to the previous location. So if we go back and now again get this address, so this is the first address. Now we parse the next one, which is 9E0603. okay, so if we parse this, which is 0306 9E, right, and then we convert this, so this will be the address of where the second function is located. And if we go here and go there, we will see that exactly DC, which is the hint, DC00, which is the hint, and then the next function is create mutex. Okay, and as you can see here, we when we went to kernel 32, get procs, create mutex, and these were the functions. So this is just a correction to my previous video, just to make sure we got this right, because I think I mistakenly told you that you will be parsing them sequentially one after the other, and that's not true, by the way. And we'll see in the next example why that's not true. And I'm glad I double checked everything, especially the file format. So that's it for this video, and I'll give you another example in the next one. Thank you, and see you in the next video.